Hey, what's up? It's your girl Katina the broker. I'm back. This video, I want to show you the technical analysis that I used to make this amount in my funded account this morning while trading futures. Okay, so I just did a small trade in one, which is my evaluation, and then this funded account. I just got funded on Friday, I believe. So I made $2,500. And so let me just show you the technical analysis that I use. If it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. I'm your girl, Katina the broker. Click that subscribe button. And again, y'all, I'm getting my home office together, so excuse my background, okay? But we're here to talk about trading. So now, when I wake up in the morning and I first open NinjaTrader, I'm almost always on four charts. I look at the 1 minute, I look at the 3 minute, I look at the 5 minute, and I look at the 15 minute, right? That's just what I do. Now, I'm telling y'all, by no means am I calling myself a pro. I am sharing information that is and should be very useful for beginners because it's information I wish I had a year ago. I've only been trading futures for about a year now. So, I think it's going to be my full-time bread and butter real soon. So, but check this out. So when my charts are on 4, I click right here and I take it to 1. I want to look at what's been happening in the market, now, but what I want to do though, I go here and I go look at the 5 minute. So I'll look at the 5 minute now. Let me just remove, I want to remove this right here because I do follow the supply and demand strategy. So I'm going to just remove that. So what we're looking at here, this purple line, this is my 200 EMA, right? So I look at the 200 EMA, and then this yellow line here is my 50 EMA, right? And then this white line here is the 13 EMA. Now to add these to your chart, you simply go right here to indicators, click the drop down arrow, and then you would just search for EMA, right? And so I got a bunch of them that are my favorites already, but you get the point, right? So if I remove that supply and demand square, rectangle, right? What I normally do now lately though, I have been trading a little bit with a group at 7:30 a.m., but mainly I trade between 9:30 and 11. So I do wait until the market opens. But what you want to do is I'm going to click this rectangle here. What I would be looking for, say the market is about to open right now. Say the market is about to open right now. I would go to the 5 minute and I would see where it made the biggest move up or down. So right now we're up, right? Because at 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes ago we were down. We were headed in a down market, but now we're in an up channel, right? So I would look at where the market made the biggest move, and that would be right here. That would be right here. So if the market was about to open, I would add my rectangle here, and basically I would wait on it to drop here, and then I would buy a call. That is the strategy that I used this morning. So let me go to my, and before I go to the 4 charts, what I want to show you as well is this right here. I add these blue lines when I'm looking at a break of structure. I want to know where the market broke a major point of structure. So let me just go back to this morning. So this morning I took, let's see here. So this morning I took this trade, but the trade that I took that made that $2,500 was this one right here. So it was these 2 candles that took me there. Now, how I got there is because what I did was I literally waited for a major break of structure and a breakout from the first 15-minute candle. The first 15-minute candle was right here. And as you can see, we did a long drop. And we even broke Friday's lows. Okay, this is being recorded on a Monday. So we even broke Friday's lows. So I literally waited until it broke out of the top, right? I waited until it broke out of the top of the 15-minute range. And so that's why I took this right here at around 10:15. And that's how I got to the $2,500 on the one trade this morning. So let me see what else I can show you. And you know what? Before we go to y'all, shout out to Doyle Exchange. I'm going to drop his information right here, right? I'm going to drop his information. That's my mentor. That's one of the people I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot about trading from a lot of different people, but he was one of the major people that I really learned from. And so just follow his YouTube page and you can learn too. But like right now, I would say also, y'all, let me tell you, I pay close attention to the 15-minute. I trade from the 5-minute, but I pay close attention to what's happening on the 15-minute. And even in the morning, though, I look at the 1 hour. I always look at the 1 hour just to see what's happening. So like right here on the 1 hour, I wouldn't make a trade probably until I got past that EMA right here, right? Because more than likely, it always bounces at an EMA. So let me just enlarge this. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. You see where the candle is right now. So if it gets to here, from my experience, more than likely it'll bounce. So I'm always paying attention to where the EMAs are on the 1 hour. So okay, on the 1 hour, let's see. It's at 2149. It's at the 149.75s, right? But if I was just looking at the 15-minute, right? It looks like it might want to break out. So I might say, hey, if it gets to 147, I'm going to take a buy. So I just look at all those different things just because from my experience, it always bounces at these EMAs. It really does. So I just make sure the EMAs are out of my way. So I feel like I'm rambling y'all right now, but drop some comments in the comment section, whatever you got. Also, let me tell y'all, if you want to learn how to pass the prop firm challenge in one day, y'all, then what I want you to do is click on the links below. Click the links below in the description box because I have something special for you on how to pass the prop firm challenges in one day. So that's it, y'all. That's it for today. Drop your comments and questions. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'm your girl, Katina, the broker. And let me just show you too, before we go, I always like to drop a bonus, but let me just show you, if you want to trade the traditional way using the technical analysis that I just showed you, right? This is the strategy parameters that I use on NinjaTrader. So I enter my stop loss. Usually I like to have some wiggle room just because I trade NQ and it likes to go crazy. So I would take profit at 15, take profit. I like to leave a runner. So if I enter 3 contracts, I want to take a runner, right? So I want to take profit at 15, take profit at 24, and let that runner run to 29. But I have different strategies that I use. I really like that one lately. But that's it, y'all. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one. Peace.